Welcome to the step-by-step process guide for the Gobbler Laminator GB312PL. This small and compact machine is ideal for lamination of various items such as certificates, drawings, documents, sketches, computer prints, invitations, passport photos, visiting cards, calendars, and more. Before operating the machine, it is important to familiarize yourself with the safety issues, operation, and jam release procedures. Let's get started. Step 1. Unboxing and inventory check. Carefully unbox the Gobbler Laminator GB312PL. Step 2. Operation. Plug the machine into a suitable power supply outlet. For cold lamination, switch to cold position. The LED will light up red. The power is on and ready for cold lamination. Again, for hot lamination, switch to hot position. The LED will light up red. The machine will start to heat up. After 3 to 5 minutes, the green ready LED will illuminate when the machine has reached the correct operating temperature. The machine is ready to laminate. During this time, prepare the documents or items you wish to laminate. Step 3. Document preparation. Arrange the documents for inserting into the machine. Load the paper centrally into the pouch alongside the pre-sealed edge. Do not use pouches thicker than 125 micro. When the machine has reached operating temperature, the pouch can be inserted into the machine until it engages with the rollers. The pouch will move through the machine and exit at the rear. Step 4. Jam release. In the event of a paper jam due to power cut or any paper damage, unplug the laminator, then slide the release button and gently pull out the paper. Once the jam is cleared, plug in the machine, turn it on, and resume laminating. Enjoy the convenience of professionally laminated documents, photos, and more. Congratulations! You have successfully learned the step-by-step process for operating the Gobbler Laminator GB312PL.